A significant part of entering the adult life is to be as financially stable as possible. Not only does this guarantee a hassle-free experience, but also ensures that you are well prepared to meet any contingent needs effortlessly. So how exactly do you go about doing this? Well, the answer is simple. You need to earn a decent income which helps you take care of you and your family's living expenses, and you need to build a positive credit score. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about building your credit history even without a credit card. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's first understand how a credit score is determined. You will have a zero credit score if you have no credit card or no loan under your name. Whereas you will have a positive credit score if you have a credit card or a loan and have been paying your bills or EMIs on time without faltering. On the other hand, you'll have a negative credit score if you have a credit card or a loan and have not been able to pay the bills or EMIs on time. It is a common myth that a favorable credit score can only be built through the long-term use of credit cards. However, this isn't wholly true. In fact, the judicious use of a credit card constitutes only 10% of your score. The better part of the credit rating depends on the variety of accounts that you have under your name, how well managed they are, and your ability to repay short-term and long-term loans without any defaults. Hence, if you don't have any credit cards and still wish to build credit, all you need is a distinct approach. We'll talk about a few tips that can help you do so effortlessly. The first one is short-term loans. The most efficient alternative to using a credit card is to use the loan to your advantage. You can always avail a short-term loan which can be repaid in a period of 1 to 5 years. Such credits include but are not limited to personal loans, business loans, car loans and travel loans. Once your lender approves the loan, all you need to do is repay the EMIs as per the schedule without any defaults. Do this for 6 months or more and your way towards favorable credit score will come to light. The second one is mortgage loans. While you may not be eligible for a housing loan without a solid credit history, you can apply for a loan against property. As far as the amount of the investment is concerned, you can get approval for as much as 50% to 90% of the value of the property that you mortgage. Since loans against property are a secured loan, the rate of interest will be comparatively low, therefore making it easier for you to pay the EMIs regularly. Moreover, almost all loans against property get reported to credit bureaus, which will ensure that your financial stability and discipline gets recorded, therefore contributing towards your favorable credit rating. The third one is repayment of educational loans. Most student loans only need you to start paying the interest upfront. The actual repayment begins once you have acquired a job after the completion of your degree course. A great way to build a good credit score is by starting your repayment while you are still studying. Not only will it reduce the number of years that you need for repayment, but will also ensure that you pay a significantly lower amount towards the interest. However, you must only take this approach if you are exceedingly sure that you will be able to pay the EMIs on time every month. Failure to make timely payments can and will result in a negative score, therefore defeating the entire purpose. The last one is acquiring a secured credit card. While you may not be eligible for a general credit card yet, you can always secure an asset in exchange for a secured credit card, also known as a credit builder loan. In this case, your credit limit will be equal to 80% or more of the value of the asset that you have given as collateral. Once you start using the card, your timely payment history will be recorded and reported to the credit bureau, therefore reflecting positively on your credit score. Now that you are aware of some of the convenient ways of building a conducive credit history, we are sure that you will take the requisite measures to do so. However, you should be aware of the fact that taking loans merely with the objective of improving your credit history can exponentially increase your financial burden. Moreover, if you fail to pay the EMIs as directed, you may end up worsening the situation and hurting your credit rating. Hence, it is best that you tread carefully. To help matters, the best way is to ensure a better discipline when it comes to your transactional behavior, as many banks and lenders rely on the same before considering you for various credit alternatives. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.